Okay, here is the BMW 325 M20 engine for sale. Just want to make a video before I pull it out to show you guys that it starts and runs with no problems. So here we go. This is the first start. I haven't started the car in like 2 weeks either, so we'll see. As you can tell, it starts up fine. I'll go take a look at the engine. So here's the motor. Runs like a top. No problems with it thus far. Runs great. Doesn't overheat. Doesn't make any noise, doesn't tap, doesn't knock. It's a great replacement motor, so hopefully somebody buys it.